So you've introduced your business to all your family and friends, and you sold a few products to coworkers and neighbors, but that's not nearly enough for you to hit the next rank in your network marketing business or to quit your job. So what do you do next? Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tamil, and if this is your first time to my channel and you want tips and strategies on how to get more leads for your online business, then you are definitely in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get more future videos just like this one. So today I want to talk to you about how you can hit those ranks in your network marketing company, even if you're brand new to the business and you haven't had any success yet. You see, everyone who has started this type of business, they had to start out with 0 people in their organization. So don't think that you're alone at this point in your business, because when I first started my network marketing business, my friends and my family were not interested in my business or the product, and I just continued to have failure after failure trying to get this thing going and off the ground. Once I ran through all of my people, then I kind of just stopped because I got discouraged and stuck and I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I needed to meet more people faster, and stopping people at the malls and sitting at Starbucks all day, it just wasn't going to cut it for me. This type of stuff, it would just frustrate me so much that once I got stuck, I would eventually just quit sometime down the road. And for a lot of network marketers, this is what happens to them. Now, that was me long ago, but I made up my mind that I would figure this thing out, and I turned to the internet for faster results. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I've been doing to get the results that I'm getting and how you can do the same thing as far as rank advancing in your business, so stick around. Okay, so you're probably here because you just joined a network marketing company and you're struggling with growing your business, right? And you want to know, how can I get big results even though, I'm new and I haven't had any success yet? Well, I was in that same boat at one time, and then I started to make some changes. And some of them are personal changes, and some of you watching this can probably relate to what I'm going to talk about. I look back at myself and I wanted to make it to the next level. Well, for me, that was hitting the next rank in my network marketing company. And in order to do so, that would mean that I would have to make some changes, such as focusing on personal development. And here it comes, here's another thing, getting out of my comfort zone and getting uncomfortable with working in the cold market. And for those of you who don't know what a cold market is, it's basically just talking to strangers, people that you don't know. Now, this was a huge challenge for me because I'm a shy person, and actually recording this video is difficult enough for me. However, I've never been that type of person that would just, strike up this conversation with a complete stranger in the grocery store line. That's just not me. That's not what I do. So I knew that I had to do something drastic, and it would be an overnight thing. No, it wouldn't. So I started to do research on how to generate leads online for your network marketing business. I'm not going to say that this is easy because it's not. However, it will, push your business into the next phase. If you're tired of watching everyone else get awards at company events and walk across those huge stages, then here's something that you definitely need to work on. Number one, you need to get better at building relationships. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, like, that's it? Like, I could have figured that thing out myself. Well, basically, yeah, that's it. But this is just one way for you to propel your business. You see, people that have a large network of friends and associates to go to about their business, they started long ago building these type of relationships, not because they knew that they were going to start a network marketing business, but because that's just basically kind of who they are. They probably love people and make friends wherever they go. However, if that's not you, then you have to literally work at building a network. And network marketing is a people business. It's not about selling. That's where people get this whole thing all wrong altogether. It's about connecting and caring about people, helping people, and building trust and rapport. So when you see those statistics that say that, that 95% of people fail in this business, it's not because they can't sell, it's because they're trying to sell instead of building a relationship. So here's a tip to take away from this video for today. Every day I want you to go out and make a new friend. Make it a habit to meet at least one new person every day. And here's the important part of it. You have to make a connection. You don't want to just say hi and keep going. You want to actually make a connection with that person. You want to be able to strike up a conversation with that person with the intent of talking to that person again. So whenever I go out and I meet someone new, instead of asking for their phone number, to keep in touch, I usually ask if they're on social media like Facebook or some social media, type of platform. And if they say yes, which is like 90% of the time, I immediately tell them to type my name into their phone and then let them friend me, and then I accept the request later on. This is how I connect with people daily. I'm pulling people offline into my online space and staying in touch with them on social media. Just in case I never bump into that person again, I can always continue that process of building a relationship with them online. And by doing this way I don't appear to be desperate or salesy and outwardly just asking for their phone number in case they don't want to give it to me. All right, so now you know that you have to keep adding people to your pipeline and get to know them. And building a relationship will help you develop that know, like, and trust factor. Because for one, people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. And ultimately, you want to get to that point where you're building a relationship with people. Now, the other way that you can rank up when you are brand new and you don't have a success story is to add value. And what I mean by that is that you want to provide valuable information. Now, I'm speaking from a perspective of an online marketer. So if you're going to be using social media platforms or any online platform, then you want to get in the habit of giving away so much valuable information. You want to give away as much as possible. And what I mean by this when I say value is basically you want to become the expert behind your product or service so that you can be the one to educate people about what you do or what your product do. The best valuable information that you can give away is something that is personal, that you have had success with yourself. Well, I asked myself, well, why would I want to do this? Why is it important to give away so much? Well, because one, people have this type of what's in it for me type of attitude. For example, and this works for any business, by the way. Let's just say that you are a makeup artist and you want to grow your client list. Well, instead of offering discounts, record a short tutorial video on teaching, say, like 3 ways to apply blush for a summer glow. And I've watched plenty of these how-to videos on YouTube, where people are so thankful that they can even find a video that, can help them in an issue. So if you're new and you have no success in network marketing, start finding ways to help people first. And you can attend company events and gather information. You can hop on team empowerment calls, or you can, somehow get valuable information online. Start doing research online about ways to build your network marketing business and share these tips with other people online and offline. Start gathering information that you have implemented and that has worked for you in your business, and start sharing this information on blog posts, videos, podcasts, or just posting it on social media. You would be surprised how many people would find your knowledge to be helpful to their business. Unlike most business owners that go right into the sales pitch, this way is, you're providing value and it's inviting, and people are more likely to come check you out. They're more likely to contact you rather than you chasing them. And also, get in the habit of getting in front of your target market. This is another way to excel and to grow faster. So if you're concerned that no one would listen to what you have to say or maybe partner with you in your business because you don't have a lot of success, this is complete garbage. It's coming from me. And remember one thing, that all of these people that you see that go across the company stage at events, they all started from the bottom, and no one, started at the top with everyone. If you want to, be that next person at your company and, to walk across the stage, then the solution is to provide as much value as possible so that people see you as a leader and they want to partner with you. Provide value, then solve their problems with your product or service. And lastly, I just want to remind you that, all of what I share with you can be used in meeting people face-to-face, such as in workshops and meetings. So don't allow just the online space to limit you. If you want to learn how you can get more leads for your business, but you know that you don't have that type of schedule that allow you to go out and meet people all day long, you know, because you still have a 9 to 5, and then you need to look at how you can leverage your business. Obviously, what you've been doing isn't working for you, and like thousands of other network marketers, you probably have run out of people to share your opportunity with. So what are you going to do next? What are you going to do to take your business to the next level? Well, I have a training that will help you leverage your business so that you can get more people reaching out to you online, wanting to know more about how they can partner with you in your business. So if you want to build a relationship and build a rapport with people and so that you can recruit and rank it fast in your company, then click the link in the description. I have a free training. Don't worry, that's not going to cost you anything. I'm always offering trainings to help entrepreneurs get results, real results in their business. Click the link in the description below. Alright, well, I hope you found these tips very useful, and I encourage you to apply what you heard to your business. Also, click the link in the description and access your free training. If you want more videos just like this in the future, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And lastly, question of the day, are you struggling in your network marketing business? And if so, have you considered using the power of the internet to reach more people? Once again, this is Tamil. Leave a message in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video.